Okay, so these, oh wow, they're so high. Okay, so these guys are $8. Okay, and then they have this kind right here with the deer. That one is $3. Then they have some other ones over there I can't reach. Then they have these scented cinnamon candles. How much? Those are $1. Then they have the snow globe over here. Happy holidays. And that's $5. And look at this. I like that wooden. Oh, look. Isn't that pretty? That's $5. And that one's called Pine Forest with the truck on it. Okay, so this says pumpkin spice. I don't know if that was stuck on the wrong place, but this is a candle, guys. Look at this. So that's the candle red truck, and it's $6. That's cute. So then they have these. So this says glitterberry, and these are $1. All right, so this brown one over here says gingerbread delight. And look how cute the red one. Okay, so that is sparkling cinnamon. And then this green one is pine forest. So then they have these candle holders here. Okay, and those are $1. And look at these. These are $1 also. So they have them in different kind. I don't know if you could see back there. It's not bad for $1. And look at these candles. They're so beautiful. I love that top. And look. So these are $5. And they look much more expensive than that. I'm sorry, this paper's in my way. Let me see if I can bring it down here. So this is what that says, falling snowflakes. And then they have these berries. Yeah, for $5. And then they have this kind right here. And yeah, that's a double. That's a double wick. And that one says sugar cloud. Let me see if I can move this over. Okay. Let's see. So sugar cloud. So these are really nice. This is cinnamon apple pie by Betty Crocker. Those are $1. And then I'm loving those candles with that baker's twine. So each of those are $1. And then they have these. Oh, look at this one. This is 8 flameless candles with remote. Isn't that nice? Let's see. It's kind of hard to see like that. Okay, so this is, I don't see a price on it. I gotta ask. Okay, so then they have these. These are real pretty. And these are $5. And then they have a pack of the LED flameless tea lights. You get a set of 12 for $5. I think that's a good buy. Then you have this pack of wood here. I don't know what that is, but I just noticed these. Frosted cranberry, $3.50. That's what that is. Here, this is a 24-inch pre-lit tree for $12.50. That's not bad. Isn't that nice? Look at that. It has the red truck stand. And this is a white one for the same price. Now here's a 6-foot tree for $30. And they're pre-lit. I think that's a great buy. And then there it is in white. Here's the small one here. This is 32-inch. And this one here is flocked. That's a 4-foot tree for $20. I'm loving that. Okay, so then we have some craft bottles here in colors, and those are $1. And those are some frozen candles. Okay, so we have the mini bells for $1. And look at the little mini trees. You get 4 for $1.50. Then this is a snowman kit, 3D for $1. Sun catcher. These are all $1. Let's see. So you have Santa, the snowman, the elf. Then you have those. How nice. And these are the wooden ornaments that the kids can color in. So they have the, I don't want to knock this down, but they have the snowman. Then they have Santa. Then they have the little dog. How cute. See, so they have different kind, and those are only $1. And here's the ceramic ornaments. They're also $1. So is Dollar Tree. Snowflake ornaments. These are kits. And then they have this one. This is the lolly stick kit for $1. So that's the reindeer. That's Santa. Yeah, those are really nice. And here's the wooden tree. And here's a felt snowman. And look, Snoopy. The peanuts. How adorable. Okay. And then they have those, the markers, the gel markers. So behind this, they have some wrapping paper. And then they have your tape. So this is what's in this box here. I can't really move stuff around. Then they have this shelf sitter, this gnome for $5. And here's they have the felt novelty bag. Isn't he cute? Look at that. So they have Santa, and then they have the snowman. And here's some more gnomes. And then they have the paper bags. Along the top, they have the box. Dollar General have some beautiful boxes. And here's some more of the bags. Those are the jumbo bags along the bottom. And this is a 4-count for $3. 4-count for $3. That's not bad. Not at all. Then they have some boxes along the bottom and tissue paper. And that bag is so cute. And look at that one. Okay. So they have the tissue paper and they have the boxes. But they also have some ornaments. Look at this one. The galvanized metal. Oh, guys, for $1, that's such an awesome buy. Faith, family, and blessed. Then the joy of Christmas and family. Look at that. They have the camper. The countdown. Can't see if that's, I can't see how much that is. Then they have those, Joy to the World. Then they have these. Aren't these adorable with that little fur around their neck? That one says Faith. Merry Christmas to all. Believe in the magic of Christmas. And then they have some more galvanized metal toward the back, and those are all $1. And look, snowballs for 5 cents. Very beautiful. Look at that. So here's the bell, and here's the red bell here. And look at these. Look at this one. I like that truck. And I'm also liking this wreath. These are so beautiful. Okay, so then they have the Santa here. Look at that buffalo check. Then they have the candy cane ornaments and the little mini ones for the little mini trees. They have this one. And what is this green one right there? Oh, look at the snowman. Okay, so then they have, look at the owl. He's so cute, isn't he? Look at that. He's ready for the holiday. And then they have that. Then these are stand-up trees, and these are tree toppers for the mini trees. Look at that. Merry Christmas. And these are all, guys, all these ornaments right here are $1. And then they have these acorns. That's a good buy. Look at these. And then they have the 3 balls. Those are $3. Okay, let's see what else they have. So they have the plaid one. Those are 3 for $3. And the red ones. Then they have these bows right here. These are $2. And this one here, these are $1. What a great buy. Let's look at the ribbon. Oh my goodness, this ribbon looks so nice. Okay. So look at this one. Merry Christmas. So this is like 14 inch by 12 feet for $3. That's a great buy. Okay, so here's some more. And then these are even bigger. So these are 2.5 inch by 30 feet for $5. I believe that those are a great buy. Let's see what else they have over here. I don't want to take them all down, but I want you to see some. I think that's a great buy. Better than Dollar Tree in this particular instance here, and the quality's better. And then here we have some ornaments. Okay. So these are $1. Isn't that cute? So here we have the bells in the silver, the gold, the red. You got 6 of them for $1. Then look at this Santa. How much is he? So he's $8. And then you have a 3-pack of that Tree Farm for $3. And then you have this garland, pine cone garland. It's 6 foot, $3. Then you have this, and here's another felt garland for $2. And I love that. So let me see how much this is. That's $3. You have some snowmen in the back. I just don't want to knock everything down, guys. Okay, so this is $1. Okay, and these are LED, and those are $2. This one has the string on the top, so this I think is an ornament. It is a light up ornament. They're light up ornaments. And then you have the deer. I don't think I saw this before. So these were $2 with the little fur. This is fur. And there it is with the gray fur back there. Okay, so you have the peas, and then you have the acorn. Okay, and then you have some more garland. This is very pretty, the snowflake. And here it is in the clear. And here are the wings for $1. So these are really pretty. So there is the deer. It's a wonderful time of the year. And that pillow, I believe that pillow is $1. Let me see. Look at these. And the tree that says joy. And look, the buffalo check back there that says joy in North Pole. So then you have this nativity right here. That's $3. And look at this. That's beautiful, and it comes in the red. So I think that's the church. And then here are the little snowballs. These are $1. So that's Santa, the elf, and the penguin. Then you have these. These are $2, and they light up. And look, the abominable snowman. And here's Rudolph. Some more ornaments along the bottom. So here's the 3 deer for $1.50. And I'm absolutely loving these ornaments. These are $3. Very nice. And here's another nice nativity. I like that. That's $6. Some more garland right here. And look along the top, we have some more boxes. So this is Merry Christmas in the shape of an ornament. It's $3. And that one, look at that with the truck. Let me see if that one's $3. That one's $1. Let me see. So that Merry Christmas one, I guess it's just cardboard. That's $1. And here's some garland ties. Those are $1. And look at these. The plaid bows. Those are $2. And here's some wreaths. So along the bottom you have that white fluff. Then you have some little elves over here in the little storybooks. Then you have these little felt novelty bags for $1. Holly Jolly with Rudolph, and there is Peace on Earth. That's the green one, Santa, I believe. Then you have some clings, and there's the light up necklaces, some more bows. How nice. And here's the chair over the chair cover. That is $1 also. And look at the tablecloth in that plaid. I love that. They have some beautiful things here at Dollar General. Okay, then you have some socks over there and some headbands and some stockings. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, then you got some Christmas cards and a Santa. And then you have some signs over here and some tree toppers and even some outdoor light up decor. Some extension cords for outdoors, some LED lights. The mini ones and the tea lights. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar General to check out their Christmas decor, and I'll see you in the next video.